Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to hide all desktop icons in Windows 10. Type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click User Configuration. Click Administrative Templates. Click Desktop. Double-click, hide and disable all items on the desktop. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Exit Group Policy Editor. Restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.